Good morning, friends. Dr. Ruchi this side, and welcome you all on our channel Rish Push. First of all, I wanted to thank our senior most physician, Dr. Navdeep Sharma ji, for giving me an opportunity to discuss Ayurvedic aspect of very important disease with you all. So, friends, today we will discuss about hepatitis disease. This disease is very common in population, and basically it is a liver related disease. Hepatitis, as the name suggests, hepa means liver and itis means inflammation of the liver is called as hepatitis, and it is most commonly caused by a viral infection. There are 5 main hepatitis viruses related to types A, B, C, D, and E. But it can also be caused due to some toxins which got accumulated in our body, other infections, and also autoimmune diseases. So hepatitis is acute when it lasts less than 6 months, but we can say it is as a chronic disease when it persists longer. Some types of hepatitis will pass without causing permanent damage to the liver, but other types can persist for many years and cause scarring of the liver, which is called as cirrhosis, and in most serious cases, loss of liver function, that is a liver failure, which can be really very fatal. So in particular, type B and type C, these type of viruses, hepatitis viruses, can lead to chronic diseases in hundreds of millions of people, and together are the most common cause of liver cirrhosis and cancer-like diseases. So hepatitis is a very important disease, and it is a very important matter to have knowledge about that, and to be taken precautions and everything related to this disease. If we can say in Ayurveda, the liver is called as a yakrit, and pit dosh is the predominant humor of the liver. Most liver disorders are aggravated conditions of pit, excessive bile production, or a blockage in the flow of bile usually indicates high pit, which in turn affects our agni, that is digestive fire, or enzyme activities which are responsible for absorption, digestion, and metabolism. Aggravation of pit is the main cause of hepatitis, cirrhosis, fatty liver, and such type of liver diseases. So if we will talk about the hepatitis, particularly the hepatitis, then in Ayurveda there is a term, that is a kamla. Hepatitis is usually categorized under the name kamla. It is a broad term for you can say a wide range of liver diseases. So it is the disease of Raktvaha Strotas. What is Raktvaha Strotas? It is a system which includes liver, spleen, the blood vessels, and the reticuloendothelial tissues, and the dominant of Pitta dosh. It is caused due to actually impairment of Pitta dosh and Ragdhatu. So if we will talk about our classical texts, then in our Charak Samhita, which is a very important Ayurvedic classical text, we are providing a very highly effective treatment for various types of hepatitis, including hepatitis B and hepatitis C. Means in Ayurveda, there is a whole treatment. There is a treatment which actually control the viral infection, replication of the virus, prevent this disease to further damage the liver. So there is a very good and important herbs for liver disease, disease, that is hepatitis, and it also includes the Ayurveda treatment for this hepatitis fatal disease also includes the Shodhan Chikitsa. Shodhan Chikitsa is something detoxification of the body via some detoxification processes like Panchkarma procedures, and we have a Shaman Chikitsa like palliative research based Ayurvedic medicines and herbs. So also the diet restrictions, lifestyle modifications, de-addictions, these are the essential factors that practiced for the best possible results. So Yakrit Nirogam, if we will say about the best formulation for the this disease hepatitis, then Yakrit Nirogam is the name which always comes into my mind, because it is a best Ayurvedic formulation having all liver protective herbs into it, especially formulated to combat with viral infections which actually affecting the liver and causing the liver damage. So I hope you all have understood about hepatitis now, that what is a hepatitis and how it can actually cause a liver damage if we can't taken care properly in the early stages of this virus. Okay, so take care of your liver health, and don't forget to subscribe the Dr. Navdeep Sharma channel and pressing the bell icon for having a regular notifications for attending live shows of our senior most physician Dr. Navdeep Sharma ji in the evening 4:30 p.m. IST from Monday to Saturday. Also, we are operating 24/7 through our in-house chatting app, that is Wrist Pushed app. Do download this app from the Google Play Store or in iPhone, App Store. You can download it, where you can chat directly with Dr. Navdeep Sharma ji or with your assisting doctor via finding them with their needs and attending regular their video conferencing sessions, and having knowledge about your disease with a better treatment. So we will meet again with some another important disease. Don't forget to note down our 24/7 helpline number for WhatsApp support, that is 7791 006 006. So till then, stay tuned, stay healthy.